Hi everyone, this video is on exercise 13b question 9 parts B and C. So in part B we have root px plus 2 over x cubed and we want to integrate this expression. So the very first thing here is that rewriting this expression in the form x to the power of n, so we can integrate this by using the rule that we have learned so far, because there are going to be many more integration techniques, but you will meet them in the next year or PO2. So root px is basically px to the power of a half, or you could write this separately, which is another option. So you can rewrite this as p to the power of a half and then that times x to the power of half. And for the next term we have 2 over x cubed, which is 2x to the power of minus 3 dx. So now let's integrate each of these terms. So for the first term we add 1 to the power, which is a half, and that becomes 3 over 2, and then we divide this expression by 3 over 2. So we'll have px over 3 over 2, because we divide by the new power, to the power of 3 over 2, plus for the next bit we add 1 to minus 3, and we'll have 2x to the power of minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c, which is the constant of integration. And now we can just simplify this. So we'll have 2 over 3 px to the power of 3 over 2 minus x to the power of minus 2 plus c. And this is the answer to this integration. Now for part C, it's very similar. The only difference is that we just have different, we have a combination of variables and constants, but actually the only variable is x. So don't get confused when you see other sort of letters. In this case we have p, q, and r, but they're all constants. So you can just treat them as constants, like how you have like integral of 7 dx is just equal to 7x plus c. So these are all constants and you can just treat them the same way. So again, let's rewrite this in a nice form first. We rewrite this as px to the power of minus 2 plus qx to the power of minus a half plus r dx. Now we integrate this. So we first add 1 to the first term, we get minus 1, so we have px to the power of minus 1 divided by minus 1. Then for the next term, let's write qx, and then 1 minus a half is a half, so we divide this by a half. And finally r, which is just rx, so plus c at the end. And then let's simplify. So we are going to get minus px to the power of minus 1 plus 2qx to the power of a half plus rx plus c. And that's the answer.